Here's what every beginner faces. You open a trading platform and see a bunch of buttons, charts, and numbers. First reaction, close it and come back tomorrow. Sound familiar? The thing is, it's not that the platform is complicated, it's that nobody explained what's what. And without understanding your tool, any trading turns into random clicking. Over the next 5 minutes, we'll cover how to install the trading platform, what each element of the interface means, and how to set everything up for yourself. By the end of this video, the platform will no longer be a black box. And towards the end, we'll show you one setting that beginners usually don't think about, but they should. If you're going through our free trading course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next sessions. And check out Strifor's Telegram, daily market updates there, link in the description. Let's start with the installation. How to install MetaTrader 5. All trading starts not with profit but with a tool. And that tool is the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. To install MT5, go to strifor.org. In the top menu, select Trading, then MetaTrader 5. Click Download for Windows or Mac OS. The file will download automatically. Open it, follow the installation steps. The process takes a couple of minutes. Once it's done, the platform will open on its own. Now here's an important point. If you already have a trading account with Strifor, select Connect to an existing account and enter your login and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can open a demo account right from the platform. Select Open a new account, then Demo, fill in the basic details, and within seconds you'll have access to a virtual balance. We recommend starting with a demo account. At this stage, there's no need to rush into real money. The goal is to understand the mechanics and feel confident with the interface. Link to open an account is in the description, but installing it is only half the job. You need to understand what you're looking at. Platform interface, what's where. The platform might look overwhelming, but in reality it's all logical once you know the structure. In the center, the price chart. That's your main workspace. Everything else is secondary. On the left, the Market Watch window. This is the list of trading instruments, currency pairs, metals, indices. From here, you can drag any instrument directly onto the chart. At the bottom, the terminal. It shows open trades, transaction history, balance, and account status. For now, it'll be empty, and that's fine. Over time, this panel will become one of the most important. At first glance, it seems like a lot of information, but you don't need to memorize everything at once. Start with the chart. The rest will come with practice. The main thing is not to be afraid to click and explore. On a demo account, you can't break anything. And here's where it gets interesting, because how you look at the chart matters a great deal. Chart types and time frames. Charts have 3 display types: line, bar, and candlestick. The line chart shows only the closing price. It's good for a general sense of direction, but it's not enough for analysis. The bar chart displays more data: open, close, high, and low. But the standard in modern trading is the candlestick chart. It's the most visual and convenient. We'll be working with candles throughout the entire course. Now, time frames. At the top of the platform, you'll see buttons: M1, M5, M15, H1, H4, D1. A time frame is the time scale of one candle. On M15, one candle forms over 15 minutes. On H1, 1 hour. On D1, 1 full day. It's important to understand, switching the time frame doesn't change the market itself. It only changes the scale at which you see it. Like a city map, you can look at the whole city or zoom into one block. Same city, different scale. Try switching between time frames right now in the Strifor MT5 terminal and see how the picture changes. It's a simple exercise, but it builds important understanding. Customizing your setup and indicators. And here's the moment we mentioned at the beginning: visual setup. Many beginners don't pay attention to this, but a comfortable chart is not a minor thing. Trading requires focus. If the background is too bright and the candles blend in, your eyes tire faster, and a tired trader makes bad decisions. We recommend choosing a neutral background and making candles high contrast but without aggressive colors. Spend 5 minutes on setup now. It'll save your attention later. One more element: indicators. The platform has dozens of them. You can add them through the menu, Insert, or Indicators. But don't add anything right now. We'll cover useful indicators in detail in one of the upcoming sessions. For now, it's enough to know where they are. And if you accidentally added something, you can always remove an indicator. Nothing critical will break your assignment and what's next. Here's what you should do after this video. Install the platform, open a demo account on Strifor, explore the interface, switch between time frames and chart types. Try adding and removing an indicator. The goal is for the platform to stop feeling intimidating. And first, understanding and confidence in your actions. Write in the comments, have you installed MT5 before, or is this your first time? We're curious to know where you're at. In the next session, we'll cover how a trade is made, orders, position size, leverage, stop loss, and take profit. Because the platform is just a tool, and without understanding risk, any tool can become dangerous. Don't miss it.